Hey Tamil Wikipedians, Vijay fans have once again shown their unwavering love and support for their favorite star. With messages flooding my Instagram, I could feel the passion of Thalapathy fans. What's even more amazing is that some of you from Tamil Nadu took my course on Udemy, learned about Wikipedia editing and contributed by voting to save Vijay's party page. This is the power of Thalapathy fans. Just look at the votes and party's Wikipedia page. It's a testament to your dedication. But that's not all. We did not just save the party page, we also created a Wikidata entry for TVK. This step is crucial because it helps establish Vijay's party's presence across AI systems worldwide. Fans from other regions also joined hands with us. Wikipedians from Malay and Bengali communities created party pages in their own languages, expanding the movement even further. As a result of this incredible teamwork, Wikipedia has now given the party page a protected status, ensuring its safety from unauthorized edits and edit words. Without your support, none of this would have been possible. So to all my Tamil brothers and sisters, I say a heartfelt Nandri. Thank you for trusting me and joining this effort. Together, we have achieved something truly remarkable. Thank you Vijay fans, and you are the real heroes.